AutoCAD Electrical handles these peer-to-peer drawings by way of the WD type attribute. Now, you wouldn't know where that attribute was unless you actually were told where it was and knew where to look for it. So let's link our active drawing, our JIC WD type attribute drawing, to the project first to make sure that we're using the project settings. So we'll add the active drawing and apply the default values like so. And then what I'll do as well is go to the properties of the drawing and make sure that the sheet numbers are sequential. As I've said in various other videos in this project, make sure that you do this. It's good CAD practice. So now we've got the drawing linked, I've put some different symbols here into our schematic. Now these three here are peer-to-peer component symbols. That one there is an electrical component symbol. So let's have a look at this WD type attribute. It's very easy to find. What you do is you click on the component like that, right click, go to attributes and list edit. And if I scroll down the list here, you can see, look, the WD type attribute there is PN, which stands for pneumatic. So if I cancel that, that's a pneumatic symbol. So that's come here from the insert pneumatic components. Let's have a look at this motor here now. This motor, I'll select it, right click, attributes, list edit. So let's have a look at the motor. So it's a motor, it comes from the MTR family, but the WD type variable is HY. It's a hydraulic motor. If I look at this motor here and right click and go to attributes and list edit, you'll see that the WD type variable isn't there. It's not actually listed because that's an electrical component. So it's not required. AutoCAD Electrical knows that that is an electrical motor rather than one of the peer-to-peer motors. Now down here, I've got another component here. Click on it, right click, attributes, list edit. And if I scroll down this time, the WD type variable is PI, P and ID. So that's how AutoCAD Electrical identifies these peer-to-peer components that come off the Insert Components panel here. So you can unpin that now. That'll go back into the ribbon like so. And you can see how these peer-to-peer components here can actually live quite happily in your AutoCAD Electrical drawing with your electrical components here. So you work and you link everything together and it generates an entire project rather than just an electrical circuit.